Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this sleeve. It's really simple, and you can follow me on my Instagram. And for those who have been here, thanks so much. And if you're new, please subscribe, click the bell so that you can get the notifications. You like, you comment, and you share. Yeah, today I'm going to make this sleeve as you see. Let us get started. The needle I'm going to use 2.5 millimeters. I'm going to start with my knot. Then I'm going to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It depends to what size you need. For me, I need this one. Then if you want the size, you increase the chains. Then for me, you need this one. I'm going to skip this one, this, and the second one. I'm going to insert single crochet like this, single crochet. In the second stitch, I'm going to insert double crochet like this, double crochet. Then in the next one, I'm going to insert triple crochet like this. I have 3. I'm going to pull through in this one, like this. I remain with 3. I'm going to pull through in this 2 like this. I remain with 2. I'm going to repeat the triple crochet like that. This is 1, 2. Then the third triple crochet. I'm going to have 4 triple crochet. This is the 4th one. Then after the next one, double crochet like this. Then half double crochet in the next one like this. Then I'm going to insert my hook here in the knot, and I'm going to insert here like this. I'm going to single crochet like this. Then after, I'm going to chain 2, chain 1, 2. My knot, I'm going to insert there slip stitch here like this in the same stitch for my knot, slip stitch like that. Then after, I'm going to start working on other side by increasing my first stitch. I'm going to insert single crochet. This is my first stitch here, as you can see. Yeah, single crochet like this. Then the next stitch, half double crochet, then in the next stitch, double crochet, like this. And my next stitch, I'm going to insert the triple crochet like this. This is 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to crochet 4 triple crochet. This is 1, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. And after that, in the last one, I'm going to reduce with my double crochet like this here, double crochet, and half double crochet here, double crochet, and then my slip knot, my slip stitch, no, not slip knot, in the same stitch here where I put it the half double. I'm going to insert slip knot like that. Then I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after chaining 5, you skip 1. In the second one, I'm going to insert here, and I'm going to use slip stitch, and the next stitch I'm going to use slip stitch, and the third one slip stitch, then slip stitch. Then after, I'm going to here, I'm going to slip stitch like this. Then after, I'm going to chain 1, I pull through, then I'm going to cut it off. You cut it off, then you pull through like that. after, I'm going to make my knot with these two. Like this. Make your knot. Then after I cut it off, this is our leaf looks like, as you see.